Hi, this is Nanting, and here's my product SCMind. Let's start from the background research of the dyslexia. So dyslexia is a learning disorder characterized by difficulty reading. Dyslexia is estimated to affect about 10% of Australian population, and this percentage may be a very conservative estimate according to Australian Dyslexia Association. Common dyslexia symptoms in children, teens, and adults include difficulty understanding the text, difficulty pronouncing the words, poor spelling, difficulty writing in an organized way, and problems with grammar and punctuation. So why SCMind? So this software helps the user with organizing thoughts and provides useful assistance for simple writing. The interface effectively shortens the frequency of switching tabs, windows, and saves a considerable amount of time for the user. It strongly improves user writing experience. And the software is designed particularly for college students with dyslexia to help with their writing. During the design process, first I conduct through the background research on dyslexia, and accurate related information and knowledge including major symptoms, treatment, supportive technology, etc. Next, I conduct user research, did interview from which I obtain useful information from real potential users, design a preliminary concept for the software, and sorted out persona, user journey map, and the storyboard. Finally, I set about designing the software from low fidelity prototype, heuristic evaluation through high fidelity prototype to usability test. And what is needed? So the first one is organize, like mind map, and guide users writing paths, notes, and customizable like voice input, output, outline, and switchable format, layout, reading assistance. And the last part is checking, like grammar check, reference help, and essay format generation. So in the concept process, the first is to download the software and open SCMind. Use the mind map. During the whole process, user can use voice input and output, writing and the reading function. The last part is the grammar and the reference. So user can easily finish those steps and submit the essay. Here's my final concept. I will have a video to demonstrate the whole function. Here is the two sims. On the right hand side is more serious, and I will use the left sims. Okay, let's start the video. This software works independently, covering most of functions the user may need. That is having built-in word processor, spell and grammar checker, text-to-speech feature, auto-reference, etc. to form an all-in-one type of software with a unique interface. Now I'm going to brief you on the built-in feature of SCMind. In the mind map, the user can either choose favorite templates on the right or import customer templates. Also, the user can drag and move text boxes of different shapes freely and drop them to the center. The boxes can be connected to each other and to the other modules. So the mind map allows user to fully customize how the boxes module look, like color, size, etc. A user can close the template button. When you press the recording button, you can record your voice and drag to the center. You can connect each other. You can connect each other by collecting, and also you can share your work and save your work at any time. But mind map is not a necessary step. If the user feels that the mind map is not useful, users are free to skip and go straight into writing. Once a user finishes or skips a mind map, the system would lead the user to the writing window. And the width of height of this window is adjustable to suit individual need and preference. The mind map previously created would show on the top of the page, and the pen can be frozen for the user to view easily when scroll the page up or down. Topic sentence in the box floating on the left consistently reminds the user not to digress. It can also be turned off at a user's preference. There are prompt boxes that have the same color as the mind maps next to the writing area, and the promote boxes present the organized idea and thought. The gray boxes on the right are draft area where the user may enter quotes and links and edit drafts. It supports voice to text input. User can simply click the text and it shows on the paragraph part. And when the user begins writing, the system would prioritize the optimal font and a font color or size for user to read and recognize text easily. The signature feature in SCMind are line focus and syllabus and the focus function. The syllabus separates multi-syllable words by their syllables, by doing which it allows the user to read and recognize some long and tough words more easily. When collecting the focus, it will show the writing part. Line focus allows the user to highlight a certain passage by changing the background tone and font color. The highlighted part would appear easily to read and focus, and user also can choose numbers of lines and also change the background color. One of the two above functions generates audio for the text entered to make sure the accuracy of the input text. The user can change the audio speed, language, gender, the speaker gender by preference. By clicking on the play button, the system will run the text-to-speech feature and would automatically start reading of the text. The cursor is currently on. Also, just click the stop button, the text-to-speech feature would pause. So in addition, there are features of checking spelling, grammar, and a reference. The system would automatically correct the wrong spellings and grammar issue. Just simply collect it. More importantly, the reference feature can automatically generate citations in selected formats for a certain link or publication. And it generates a reference automatically, so it shows on the reference part. After finish the essay, user can collect setting and save the document. So in summary, this production would offer an effective support for college students with dyslexia and strongly improving their reading and writing experience through the specific supportive features in EasyMind. Thanks for listening. Here's my reference. Thank you.